Hey guys, so one of the most frequently asked questions on my Instagram DMs is can you get light skin by using creams only, or can you get light skin by simply using glutathione only? Like, what's the best way to lighten up your skin? So I normally get that question a lot, and I thought, let me just sit down here and address the best way that I would recommend for skin lightening. And as a person who has used both creams and glutathione and the supplements, I can tell you my own opinion on what I think works the best. But before that, let me first of all address the two elephants in the room. First of all, I am wearing colored contact lenses, so I know my eyes look weird. It's the first time putting them on. I don't know how to remove them, so you're just gonna have to bear with it. I'm just experimenting. Then I have this new gorgeous hair. It's some ombre braids. I will put a link down below on where I bought them from, and also you can use my code Shiko Beauty to get a big discount. And also the next thing, if you have not joined the skin lightening Facebook group I created, it's called Light Skin. I highly suggest, I don't even know why you have not joined yet. If you're into skin lightening, make sure you join that Facebook group, because people are sharing the before and after pictures, and let me tell you, people have made great progress in their skin lightening journeys. So don't just listen to me only, okay? So I hope you guys will have a variety of info from other guests as well. Go to the group and see what other guys are using on their skin and see their progress and their recommendation. You know, just have a general outlook on the whole topic of skin lightening. That being said, let's get back into the video. Now, in my own opinion, as a person who has done skin lightening now for over like 5 years, I can tell you for sure the very best way to ensure you have an even skin tone and to have healthy skin is to combine both glutathione and the creams. Is to work on your skin from the inside out. That means you're using the supplements on the inside, that is the glutathione, the vitamin C, the NAC, MSM, all that on the inside, and then on the outside you're exfoliating, and then you're using a safe skin lightening cream. And it can even be a natural skin lightening cream, which of course will take longer before you get the results, but anyway, so long as you're using a safe skin lightening cream on the outside, and then on the inside you're using the supplements, the glutathione and all that, then you for sure be able to get nice and even skin tone. Now, that being said, I know you might be asking yourself, so what is the issue with me using creams alone? Why can't I just use glutathione alone? And let me tell you where the issue comes in. Number one, if you choose to use glutathione alone, whether it's the injections, the powders or the pills, whatever form of glutathione you're using, if you choose to use that alone, although glutathione is the safest thing to use in skin lightening, but let me tell you from my own experience of using glutathione alone, it doesn't lighten up your skin completely evenly. If you have like dark knuckles, or if you have like really dark elbows or really dark knees, glutathione will not get your skin super even tone. It will make those areas become a little bit lighter, but it won't make them like completely get rid of the darkness. So if you have like serious hyperpigmentation like me, like you can see in this picture here, you can see how my knees look like, and look at this picture right here and see how my knees look like. It took me a lot of time and a lot of like exfoliation, and I think I did an acid peel at some point to get my knees from this to that. So it does take time before you see results and you see even toned skin from using glutathione alone. That is why I suggest you combine glutathione with a skin lightening cream. Number two, so you might be asking yourself, so like why can't I use the creams alone? And it's because of several reasons. Number one, if you're using skin lightening creams alone, there's a certain kind of a glow you can't achieve when you're using both. There's a certain kind of a glow you won't get. Like your skin may become lighter with creams only, but your skin will not become brighter, because the whole point is to get your skin lighter, brighter and healthy. And then again, if you're using a very harsh cream that has a very active and very potent and very strong skin lightening ingredients, then it will most likely be damaging your skin if you're using it on the long run without using anything to build up your skin on the inside. That is why I say, even if you're going to be using creams alone, at least invest in taking collagen supplements. Whatever form of collagen you're gonna get, at least get some collagen supplements if you choose to use creams alone, because you need to have a cushion for your skin. You need to have something that is building up your skin on the inside when you're tearing it down on the outside using the creams, using exfoliation. So you really need to have collagen in the system to avoid your skin becoming thin and to avoid things like stretch marks. That is why most people get stretch marks when they're using creams, because they're not taking care of their skin from the inside as well. So best thing is to use a cream with a collagen, but not, or with a glutathione, but not using it alone. And then again, like I said in my last video, when you're combining supplements with the creams, it's like you're having a cushion. It's like you're cushioning up your skin against any damage. Should you use a skin tightening cream that has unsafe skin tightening ingredients, then you'll have a cushion. Like think of it this. So let me give you an analogy of using like a seatbelt. Okay, it's like driving your car or being inside a car using a seatbelt, and someone who is not using a seatbelt. Of course, when you get into an impact or into an accident, the person who has the seatbelt will get minimal damage and minimal injuries as compared to the person who did not have a seatbelt. So the same case, the supplements you are taking are your seatbelt. They're protecting you from any damage that may come from creams or from outside, from the elements, from the sun, from the pollution, anything. So basically, using supplements in conjunction with creams is the best way to make sure you have nice, healthy, lighter and brighter skin. For me, I always advise guys, it's always best to combine your creams with the supplement if you can. At least collagen. If you can't afford the other things and the NSCs, the MSM, if you can't afford all that, at least make sure you're taking collagen supplements. That's it, guys. That is the best way I can say for sure for achieving nice and even skin tone, is for working on your skin from the inside out. That's all I have for you guys. That's all I have for today's video. I will make sure I make more consistent videos before the end of the year. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a second and make sure you subscribe, because I want you guys to join this family. And that's all I have for you guys. And until next time, see ya.